Dear students, good morning. In this, now move on to next chapter 20, mensuration. In this chapter, we will learn about areas of rectilinear figures. What is rectilinear figure? A figure made up of some line segments is called a rectilinear figure. And these line segments are called its sides. That is, all polygons are known as rectilinear figure. Here it is square, rectangle, all quadrilateral, we can say that. So example, square, rectangle, triangle, etc. Now related to for mensuration, some formula is that. Now we will see that. Let there be a rectangle with length L units and breadth B units. Then we have some formulae. Number 1, area of a rectangle is equal to L length into breadth. Unit will be square units. If length equal to, how to find length? Length equal to area by breadth. So unit will be units, centimeter, meter, whatever it is. Then breadth equal to area by length. Then units. Units means meter, centimeter, millimeter, kilometer. You have to write it. Then diagonal is equal to square root of L squared plus B squared. That is length squared plus breadth squared units. Perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B units. Now what is the formula for area of 4 walls of a room? Let there be a room with length L units, breadth B units and height H units. Then we have area of the 4 walls is equal to 2 into L plus B into height. That means perimeter into height is equal to area of the 4 walls. The unit will be, whenever you are finding any area, the units will be square, that is meter square, centimeter square, whatever it is, that is square units. Then diagonal of the room, which is equal to square root of L squared plus B squared plus H squared units. Now formulae for square, area and perimeter of a square. Let there be a square each of whose sides measures A units. Because in square all sides are equal, so the measures of side is A units. Then we have area of the square is equal to A square. That is side into side. Unit will be square units. Then side of the square is equal to square root of area. Unit will be units. Diagonal of the square is equal to root 2 into side. That is root 2 into A. Why I am writing A here? We are keeping side is A here. Root 2 into A units. Area of the square is equal to, there are 2 formulae for square, area of a square. If side is given, we will use this formula, side into side. If diagonal is given, we will use this formula, half into diagonal squared. That is square units. Then perimeter of the square equal to 4 into A. That is 4 into side units. Now move on to exercise 20A. Question number 1. Find the area of the rectangle whose dimensions are length equal to 12.5 meter, breadth equal to 8 decimeter. Once you have to keep in your mind while doing the calculation in mensuration, the units will be same, then only you have to do the calculation. Here length is given in meter and breadth is given in decimeter. So here itself you convert this decimeter into meter. Decimeter to meter we have to divide it by 10. So 8 by 10 meter is equal to 0.8 meter. Now the both length and breadth, both dimensions are in meter only. So what is the formula of area of the rectangle? That is equal to L into B square units. Length is 12.5 into breadth is 0.8. If you multiply it, you will get 10 meter squared. So unit is very important. So while doing the calculation, write the units together. Number 2, find the area of a rectangular plot, one side of which is 48 meter and its diagonal is 50 meter. What is given? Rectangular plot. So I have drawn it. ABCD is a rectangular plot. One side, you can write any side 48. I have taken AB equal to length of AB equal to 48 meter. Then breadth B, I am giving us x meter. And one more information given in the question, that is diagonal. Diagonal is AC. AC BD. I have drawn here only AC. So AC equal to 50 meter. So write the information here. Let the length of the rectangular plot be 48 meter. Diagonal AC equal to 50 meter. So here the rectangle, all angles are 90 degree. So triangle, this is the diagonal divides this rectangle into two triangles. So first I'll take triangle ABC. ABC is a right angle triangle. So using Pythagoras theorem, I'll find the side BC, that is width of the rectangle. So in a triangle ABC, AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. This is the Pythagoras theorem. AC squared is 50 squared is equal to 48 squared plus x squared. Then solving the equation, x squared equal to 50 squared minus 48 squared. Here it is a squared minus b squared in this form. So what is the identity here? A squared minus b squared equal to a plus b into a minus b. In this question, what is a? 50 is a, 48 is b. So a plus b, 40 plus 50 plus 48 into 50 minus 48. Then you will solve it, you will get 196. That is x squared equal to 196. Then x is equal to square root of 196, which is equal to 14 into 14. Out of 2, we will take 1 outside, that is 14 meter. So the value of x is equal to 14 meter. So breadth of the rectangle BC equal to 14 meter. It is written there. So hence the area of the rectangular plot equal to L into B square units. Length is given in the question 48 and breadth we have find out now 14. 48 into 14 meter square equal to 672 meter square. While doing this multiplication, you will show everything on the rougher space. Now move on to question number 3. The area of a rectangular field is 3584 meter square and its length is 64 meter. A boy runs around the field at the rate of 6 km per hour. How long will he take to go 5 times around it? What is given in the question? Area is given, length is given. Then a boy runs around the field. Around the field means that we have to find out the perimeter. So perimeter of a rectangular field we have to find out. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Here in the question only length is given, area is given. So area by length we will find breadth. Using that breadth we will calculate perimeter. After finding that perimeter is equal to distance covered by the distance of that field. Now we'll see the question here, answers here. Here it is given area of a rectangular field equal to 3584 meter squared, length of the rectangular field 64 meter, breadth equal to area by length, that is equal to 56 meter. Perimeter of the field equal to a boy runs around the field, that is the distance covered by a boy in one round equal to perimeter. That is 2 into L plus B, 2 into 64 plus 56 meter, calculated, that is perimeter of the field equal to 240 meter. In this question, he take to go 5 times around it. Now we have to calculate it 5 times perimeter. A boy runs around the field for 5 times is equal to 5 into perimeter. That is distance he covered. This sentence is very important. You have to write it. So a boy runs around the field for 5 times is equal to 5 into perimeter. That is equal to distance he covered. So 5 into 240 meter, that is equal to 1200 meter. Now here the speed is given. How much speed he covers this distance in what is the speed he takes. So here speed is given in kilometer per hour. Your distance is in meter. Now we have to convert into same unit. So I am converting speed in meter per second. Kilometer to meter, we have to multiply by 1000. 6 into 1000, 6000 meter. Hour to second. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 60 into 60. So speed, whenever you are writing, the unit will be kilometer per hour or meter per second. So I am converting the speed into meter per second. After calculation, I am getting 10 by 6 meter per second. That is 5 by 3 meter per second. You can write it in a simpler lowest term also. Then time equal to distance by speed. Distance is 1200 meter and speed is 10 by 6. It is in the denominator, so write it as 6 by 10. After calculation, you will get it 720 seconds. Now you convert these seconds into minutes. So how will you convert it? Divided by 60, you will get 12 minutes. So time taken to go 5 times around the field equal to 12 minutes. So while doing these questions, read the question 2 times and you solve it. Now move on to question number 4. Find the cost of carpeting a room 13 meter by 9 meter with the carpet of width 75 centimeter at the rate of rupees 105 per meter. What is given in the question? Find the cost of carpeting a room. Length and breadth is given. So carpet should be put it in the inside of the room. So we have to find the area of the room. So area of the room. So what is the shape of the room now? That is a length and breadth is different. So it must be a rectangle. So area of the room, that is area of a rectangle, we have to find out. That is the area of the carpet first. After that, here it is given carpet width is given. Area by width is equal to length of the carpet. So length of the carpet per meter cost is given. So how many meters we are getting? We will multiply it. So we will see the solution now. Area of the room is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 13 meter into 9 meter, that is 117 meter squared. Why I have converted into centimeter squared? Because here the width of the carpet is given in centimeter, so I have converted into centimeter squared. Otherwise, you can convert the width of the carpet into meter, that is you will get in a decimal. So whatever your convenience, so you can do it. While doing the conversion, be careful, meter squared, that is meter into meter, that is 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. There are 2 meters, so 4 zeros must be there. While doing the conversion, see the conversion properly. Then width of the carpet equal to 75 centimeter. Area of the room is equal to area of the carpet. Now let the length of the carpet be x centimeter. That is area of the carpet, that is 1,17,000, it is given here. X into 75, this is the width of the carpet. Length we are keeping x. X into length into breadth is equal to 11,70,000. Then x is equal to 11,17,000 divided by 75, which is equal to, here area is centimeter squared, width is in centimeter. After calculation, cancel it, we will get the length, that is x is equal to 15,600 centimeter. Now you convert into meter. Why? Because here it is given that the rate is given that per meter cost is given. So I am converting this centimeter into meter. So that is divided by 100, that is 156 meter. That is the length of the carpet equal to 156 meter. This is the third part. How to do? Cost of per meter carpet equal to rupees 105. It is given in the question. Then cost of 156 meter carpet equal to rupees 105 multiplied by 156. After multiplying, show the multiplication in the rougher column, which is equal to rupees 16,380. Question number 5. Find the length of the largest pole that can be placed in a hall 10 meter long, 10 meter wide and 5 meter high. What is the length of the largest pole? This is length, breadth and height is given. So it is a rectangle. So the largest pole is the diagonal of the rectangle. So the length of the largest pole is equal to length of the diagonal of the room. What is the formula? The length of the diagonal of the room equal to square root of L squared plus B squared plus H squared. Length, breadth, height, everything is given in the question. So 10 squared plus 10 squared plus 5 squared. Do this square, 100 plus 100 plus 25, that is 225. Square root of 225 is 15 meter. So the length of the diagonal of the room equal to 15 meter. In this question directly you will apply the formula and you have to calculate it. Question number 6. Find the area of the square, the length of whose diagonal is 2.4 meter. Here area of a square we have to find out, diagonal is given, so we have to use this formula. Area of the square equal to half into diagonal squared. How many diagonals in a square? There are 2. The diagonals are equal in length, so only one diagonal is given. So diagonal square units. Half into 2.4 the whole square, that is 2.4 into 2.4, the unit will be meter square. After calculation you will get area of the square is equal to 2.88 meter square. Question number 7. The area of a square field is 1 by 2, half hectare. Find the length of its diagonal in meters. Area is given. Now we have to find the diagonal of the square. Hectare, 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meters squared. You should know all these conversion. 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meters squared. So area of the square field is half hectare, that is 10,000 divided by 2, that is 5,000 meters squared. Now the area is in meters squared. Side of the square is equal to root of area, that is square root of 5,000 meter. You do the prime factorization. After prime factorization you will get 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 meter. So out of 2 you will take 1 outside, that is 5 into 5 into 2. There are 3 2's are there. Out of 2 1 already taken and only 1 2 is left alone. So that is root 2 meter you will write it. You will multiply it, 25 into 2, 50 root 2 meter. That is the side of the square. Here the question is find the length of its diagonal. The diagonal of the square field equal to root 2 into a units. Root 2 into, what is a? 50 into root 2. That is 50. Root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. 50 into 2, that is equal to 100 meter. Move on to question number 8. A go down is 50 meter long, 40 meter broad and 10 meter high. Find the cost of whitewashing its 4 walls and ceiling at rupees 20 per square meter. Here it is given 4 walls. So first we have to write the formula of area of the 4 walls of the room, that is 2 into L plus B into height, square unit. First whatever given in the question you write down, length of the go down, depth of the go down, height of the go down you write down. Then area of the 4 walls, write the formula first. Then you will apply the value of length, breadth, height here in that formula. Area of the 4 walls of the go down equal to 2 into 50 plus 40 into 10. After calculation you will get 1800 meters squared. That is the area of the 4 walls of the go down. And here ceiling is also that the ceiling is in the shape of rectangle, that is area of the ceiling of the go down equal to length into breadth square units. So what is length? Length is 50 meter, breadth is 40 meters. So 50 into 40 meters squared equal to 2000 meters square. Total area we have to whitewash it. So the total area to be whitewashed is equal to area of the 4 walls of the room, that is 1800 plus area of the ceiling 2000 meters squared, which is equal to 3800 meters squared. Cost of whitewashing per square meter is equal to rupees 20. Then cost of whitewashing for 3800 meters squared equal to rupees 3800 into 20, which is equal to rupees 76,000. Question number 9. The area of the 4 walls of a room is 168 meters squared. The breadth and height of the room are 10 meter and 4 meter respectively. Find the length of the room. So first area of the 4 walls of a room, formula 2 into L plus B into height square units, which is given, that is 168. and breadth and height of the room is given, that is breadth of the room 10 meter, height of the room equal to 4 meter, length should be x meter. So we will apply this value in that formula, area of the four walls of a room. 2 into x plus 10 into 4 equal to 168, 4 into 2 8 into x plus 10 equal to 168, then x plus 10 equal to 168 by 8, that is equal to 21, then x is equal to 21 minus 10 equal to 11, that is length of the room. Here the question is asked, length of the room equal to 11 meter. While doing all those questions in the word problem, the units are very much important. Question number 10. The area of four walls of a room is 120 meters square. If the length of the room is twice its breadth and the height is 4 meter, find the area of the floor. Let the breadth of the room be x meter and length be 2x meter. Here it is given, first we have to assume it. Then area of the four walls of room, 2 into L plus B into height equal to 120 meters square. Then 2 into length is 2x and breadth is x. 2x plus x into 4. 4 height is given in the question, which is equal to 120. Then 8 into 3x equal to 120. 24x equal to 120. X is equal to 5. That is length of the room equal to 2x meter. That is 2 into 5 meter equal to 10 meter. Breadth of the room equal to x meter. That is equal to 5 meter. Here the question is find the area of the floor. Area equal to L into B square unit, that is 10 into 5, 50 meter square.